I'm Riya Mittal, your host for the day. On behalf of Data Safeguard India, it is my privilege to welcome you all to this closed door leadership forum on DPDP Act, Digital Autonomy. Keep our energies high and keep on applauding for our special guest, Dr. Amar Patnaik, Dr. Gulshan Rai, former National Cyber Security Coordinator, Mr. Vinay Godse, CEO, Data Security Council of India. Let's have a big round of applause for Gulshan sir, everyone. Some experience that you would like to share with the attendees that are present here.
Yes, this is Vinay Godse, CEO, Data Security Council of India. After last 5-6 years of time, privacy has become very significant area, and Data Safeguard is one of the significant privacy technology company that we engage with. There are members as well. Glad to be part of this interaction.
Before we begin with our event officially, I want to do a small activity with each one of you who are present here with us. So I want you to clap 30 seconds straight for yourself. Come on everyone, let's do it together. For 30 seconds straight, you have to clap for yourself, for the inner child in you, for the champion in you who has made it possible to come here and be part of this wonderful event that is happening. Come on, louder, louder. I want everyone to clap. Let's resonate the room with your cheerful clappings. Come on.
First, I want each one of you to raise both your hands up. Both the hands, please. As highest as possible. As if you are about to touch the ceiling. As highest as possible. And when I say 1 and 2, you have to snap it like this. When I say 3 and 4, you have to clap. Do it, please. Let's do a small demo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I say 1, 2, then you have to snap it. With 3 and 4, you have to clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. So let's have a big round of applause for each one of you. To start the first panel discussion, I would request the moderator, Ms. Mahi Gupta, Data Safeguard, VP of Privacy Strategy, to please join us on the stage. Let's have a big round of applause. So let's have a round of applause for our panelists, everyone. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Amar Patnaik, Dr. Gulshan Rai and Shri Vinay Godse over here. Please join us, sir, for the felicitation. Let's have a round of applause. Everyone, please, people at the back also. Yes, we should keep on applauding, please. Everyone, come on, let's show some energy. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out your precious time and accepting this token of appreciation from us and share the expertise with us. Thank you so much.
Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. So 3 cheers for Data Safeguard, everyone. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Awesome. So thank you to all our speakers, panelists, and participants for contributing to a thoughtful and solution-oriented dialogue. With this, we formally conclude the DPDP Act, Digital Autonomy Leadership Forum. This is your host for the evening, Anchor Riya Mittal, signing off. Thank you so much, everyone.
3 cheers for Riya Mittal.
Yeah, very well.